Well, I had some friends that said to me, "Hey, you remember a while back you did a premiere where you introduced your style of music that you call spiritual impressionism?" I said, "Yeah." They said, "When are you going to do another one of those so we can listen to you play the piano again?" Or, as you like to say, the piano, as Granny would say on Beverly Hillbillies. I said, "Well, let me see if I can squeeze that into my schedule because I play it all the time as a breakaway from the workshop, but I don't record it. And it'd be great to record some more of that music," they told me. Hint, hint, poke, poke. Hey, do it. So I said, okay. So I share with some of my friends that you can see in the shot there, the doctor and his wife, Mr. Bean, our wonderful unicorn family, and the singer repairman, Herr Obermeister, Reggie White. And I said, hey, why don't we do a quick little premiere highlighting some of my music so we can share it with our friends? They said, cool. And if you don't see Dr. Singer and Umi, it's because they're off on a little adventure on their own. Yeah, they're kind of a thing. So nothing fancy here. Just relax. If you want, kind of close your eyes meditatively, and you can listen to me play a little bit of what I call my spiritual impressionism. And I started this, gosh, long, long, long time ago. But I also, through college, listened to a lot of George Winston, if any of you are familiar with his work. He is a solo pianist and plays a style similar to mine. And I'd like to think we kind of copied each other a little bit. Nah, I think I copied him. But anyway, it's all by ear. There's no music. It's just it's just fun. Yeah. All right. That's enough blah blah blah. I'll play a little of this. And you can't see it, but Hank is in the background, kind of listening in as I play, which is fun. All right, here we go.
I think it's time.